Every day, chat and chart live during the New York session. Here, real traders share the raw truth, their mindset, technical analysis, and execution. This is where real traders show their skill set. Welcome to Tradin TV. This is your stage to shine.
Hello, hello.
Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Hi, I'm all right. Thank you.
All good. Anand, how are you?
I'm doing great. How are you?
How's trading going, guys?
It's okay.
Double thumbs up.
Great, great. I think I'm not sure. I didn't get enough confirmations yet, but I think we're looking at shorts on gold.
Shorts on. Okay.
Short.
Yeah. What do you think?
I'm actually looking for buys, but yeah,
Okay, we'll exchange analysis now. So far, it's still bullish. By the way, I'm just like trying to predict the future, which doesn't work very well usually. But I'm not going to execute unless I get a setup. But I'm expecting it to do something. So let's see how that works, because in 26 minutes we have news releases coming from the US, so I expect to see some volatility there. Maybe we see like a small correction to the downside before continuing upwards. What do you guys think?
I had a trade in the morning.
Would you like to share your screen?
Yeah.
Show us.
The UI is a little different.
It's different. The platform is different. The streaming platform is different.
Yeah, got it. So let me know when my screen is visible. Rosa, like, are you able to figure out my trades? Like,
Yeah, but the point is, it's like 2 a.m. in the morning, between 1 and 3 a.m. So I'm usually sleeping at that time. But they are amazing trades, and I've been following them in the morning.
What is that? Those trades that Anand gives at
no,
1 a.m.
I don't give the trade. I just told how I take the trade. Like, I just explained what I look for. I don't know why it's not streaming. Just give me a minute. Like, I'm just trying to share, but it's not sharing the screen. Can some of you guys? Like, okay.
Yeah,
so,
we can see now. Yes.
Yeah. So this is the trade I would have taken. Like I have told Rosa. So this is the trade I would be personally taking if I was awake in the ACR session. So I would look for a beautiful order block. As soon as it mitigates, I take a sell and place a stop loss just above this. This is a very time based entry, and generally it happens when there is a rally. For example, gold rallied on the New York, either down or bottom. So my trade will come as a counter trend during the session shifts. Okay. But I completely missed that. Then I will go for another entry model, basically pre-London sell. That's what I call it. So the whole idea is just before the London Open. So there is this time window. Again, the same criteria. If it hits an OB or a liquidity sweep, I take an entry. So this I took today. Basically, I had marked this level. So as soon as I hit the OB, I took the entry. SL is just above this level. It's just like
OB
it was like
being the order block. That's what you mean.
So basically, I look at these level. If you look at go in the lower time frame, you can see some, what do you call it? Like
Yeah, but I heard you say OB. You mean order block? You mean?
yes, order block.
Okay.
So I either look for an order block or a liquidity sweep, either of that. Okay. So as soon as it came, I took an entry. The SL is just above this level, because if this level is breaking out, okay, and retesting, it's gonna go up. So my SL was 2.5, and I target the previous support, which was here, but I always place my TP just above it.
Yeah, you
Sometimes
filter some.
sometimes market doesn't sweep the liquidity, it just go induce and go back. So I
makes
just
sense.
took a TP here. Like I usually go for, again, if I risk 25 pips, I target 100 pips. That's it. So
That's
and just one trade. So I'm done for the day. But if I was awake, I would have taken this entry where you are seeing this currently. If I was awake, this would have been my like entry, which I discussed with Rosa generally. And I would have, my TP would have been either here, first TP, and the last final TP would have been here. I wouldn't have kept my trade above that. So this is I practice for
that's beautiful, actually.
it's a good, I mean, good entry type. But again, since I'm from India, I have to be awake like very, very early.
So what time is it now in India?
It's currently 6:30 p.m.
6:30 p.m.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, so it's not very different from here. It's how come 6:30 p.m.
Uh, yeah, it's
You're
6:30
2 hours and
p.m.
a half ahead of us?
It's 6:30 p.m. currently.
Not 38?
38, yes, 6:38.
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
All right. So that's not a very like it's not different. It's a 1 hour difference from Dubai, actually.
Yeah, yeah. I was in Dubai, like, I came back yesterday.
Uh-huh. So no
Uh,
jet lag, huh?
like, it's just a 3 hours flight. There's no jet lag, actually. Just a 3
Yeah,
hours.
it's the same timing.
Yeah.
It's like when a Jordanian goes to Egypt. Nothing changes.
Okay. Did you guys take any trades today?
Actually, no. Today I haven't taken any trades, but yesterday I took some trades. So if you guys remember from the past couple of live streams, I was long the gold, gold USD.
Okay.
I was long gold around 4,050, but I managed to bring down the average price to 4,010
Okay.
by taking some small trades and like adding those profits of those small trades to the actual thing, to the big trade. And I had my stops at 3,920. Now they're at 3,995. So that's a big improvement. I'm basically risking $15 to make $500. So that's great. I consider this as a what's it called, an achievement. So that's pretty much it. That's what I've done this week. I just how do they say it? I recalibrated my position, if that's the right way to say it.
Okay.
Yeah,
I,
but no like major trades, no, not yet actually.
okay. I think Salah just joined. Hi, Salah.
Ahlan,
Hi,
ahlan.
Salah.
How are you? And finally, we got connected
Salah
in.
does not answer his phone.
He just disappeared. I think some issues with the internet.
We were supposed to go out last week.
Oh, okay. And he.
Yeah, he bailed on me. It was like, call me back. I said, okay.
So,
I called him
like,
back. He never answered.
and I would, so this trade, I would have taken the buy at this level, to be honest. I missed it. But my first
Mhm.
TP is already hit, like almost hit. If there will be some rejection, and probably my final TP I would expect here. But I would have, I'm most likely exiting now. It's already given me 51, 100 pips, clean 100 pips.
Yeah, that
But
was actually fast. Like,
yeah, because I marked this level before and perfectly respected this level.
okay, guys. So, would you like me to share my screen to show you
Sure.
why I think it might go down?
1 second, I'll.
Yes, go ahead.
1 second, please. All right. So, where is the share screen? There it is.
How's it
Okay.
going, guys?
Ahlan, ahlan.
Hello,
Hi.
Allah.
How are you?
Allah, you good? Good. How are you guys?
All good.
Sorry, I had some technical.
Why don't you answer your phone, man?
Huh?
Why don't you answer your phone?
Bro, I did not see your call.
Go back to your log. You'll see a call on Sunday.
Hassa, I'm gonna call you. Let us finish. I'm gonna call you.
Anyway, he bailed on me, guys. That's what
No,
happened.
bro.
Okay.
Never judge, bro, before hearing it out. Never judge.
Just kidding, man. I hope
I'm
everything is
leaving
going
next
well
week.
with
It's
you.
okay. We still got time. I promise you.
Yeah, we got time. Hopefully everything is going well in your personal life.
Yeah,
That thing
it's
that saw me.
going.
Hopefully everything is going well.
It's going better. Bro.
Now let's go back to the charts. Let me tell you what I see on gold. We might be forming a triangle, which is a classic continuation pattern. So if we go to the 4 hours, we could see something that looks like this. So we had this first leg, So triangles usually, if they're Elliott triangles, they have three major, like it has 5 waves, and each wave has 3 waves inside. So it's an A, B, C, D, and then E, and then the rally starts. So what's happening here is that we saw an ABC here to A. This is the first leg. Then we had three waves to the upside, so that's B, and we had 3 waves to the downside, which is C, and now we have 3 waves to the upside, and which coincides with this trend line. That is not really a trend line yet, but if it gets rejected from here, that might turn out to be a resistance point. So that's D, and we still have E. So E goes back to the main trend line, which is around 4,060, 4,070, and then from there we can see gold starting a rally, possibly to new all-time highs around 4,550. Then we see 4,700. So that's why basically I'm seeing this.
I see it too.
I'm expecting to see this weakness. Plus, if you go to the 1-hour chart, you could see that we have an engulfing candle here at a very important level, which coincides with this resistance point. So an engulfing candle, a bearish engulfing on that level tells me something, but still I don't have a clear setup yet. So I will not execute unless I see a confirmation to the downside, and I'll be targeting 4,070, 4,080. And then from this area, I'll be buying heavily to go back up. So that's basically my analysis. What do you guys think?
I only look at the short time period, and short time period to me is still bullish up until
No.
4170 kind of, and then it will decide there, but still bullish for me.
Yeah. If we go to lower time frames, definitely I still see it bullish, but I'm expect, as I said, I gave the disclaimer when I started. I think I'm not sure yet. We will start seeing some weakness on gold, possibly during the news releases in 15 minutes.
Are you saying that because of the fundamentals, Saif?
Not really, not only fundamentals. My analysis is basically technical here, but because we have some news releases, we might see some volatility, which could spark a quick correction to the downside, which could be like, we might go see 4,080 today, and then close above 4,100, and then keep going up tomorrow. So it's a very brief correction. That's what I have in mind. But as Rosa said, as long as we're above or as long as we're bullish on lower time frames, there is no reason to think otherwise.
Personally, I see that as long as we're above 4,100 and between 4,127 to 4,132, as long as we're above that, we're bullish, and we're going to 4,250. I mean, I'm in a lot of buys all the way from 4,112. It's just spammed from 4,112 to 4,149. I have positions, and I keep opening more and more positions, layering them, because I personally see that we're going to 4,250 before anything. I mean, that is my personal analysis, and I see that we need to tap that area, 4126, basically 4246 to 4250. We need to go there in order to decide what's going to happen next. If we reject from there, we're going to sink, basically. And if not, we're going to start a rally and break out and visit the all-time high. And then possibly, as you previously stated before, 4,700 to 4,500.
Yeah.
Before. That is what I currently see. But the fundamentals might conflict with that.
All right.
Do you have any entries? Are you in anything?
Not yet. No, I'm in buys, but that's a swing. I just
Oh,
moved
the
my
same one you got in before last week?
yeah, the exact same one. But I managed to bring down my average price to 4,010 instead of 4,050, with stops
What
below.
was your entry?
My initial entry was at 4,050, with stops at 3,920. But this week, I changed a little bit of some of the things. So I changed my stop loss to 3,995. So that's that's a big change, as well as I took some small trades. I just told the guys I took some small trades that I added the profits of to this trade. So I'm risking whatever I made on that in this trade. So that's how I'm thinking of it, as I drove down my average price. So I made $40 on the same lot size.
Beautiful.
Yeah. So instead of considering it as 4,050 as an entry, no, now it's 4,010. So yeah, that's how my trade looks right now. Like you can see it in front of you, but I don't have any day trades yet. I'm hoping to get some setups today.
I've had a lot of entries. Like I've
Today?
been just layering. Yeah, I've been layering since market open. I don't know. I was even trading Bitcoin during the weekend heavily. I was in really nice trades on Bitcoin, longs, shorts. I'm trying to make a new system. You know my trading style. I'm trying to make it fit what's happening in the market now, because you're seeing how unstable it's being. It's moving sideways. Everything is almost moving sideways. So I'm trying to adjust and change my trading style. Have little scalps, have little layering. Whatever is happening, I just move with it. I'm not moving against the market, even with my strategy, because breakout strategy isn't working correct at all.
Yeah.
So I changed my system.
Okay.
Yeah, and it's been so good since I changed the system.
Well, good that you changed when you had to, because some
Yeah.
people just keep at it. And like most of the time, it's not good to change, or it's not the right decision to change your
Yeah.
strategy. But
Exactly. But you have to adjust safe. Like if your strategy isn't working properly with the market, you cannot move against the market. You cannot keep losing, for example. So you need to adjust slightly. I've already been trading this way, but I changed some things. I'm not looking for breakouts as much as I'm looking for consistency and just stacking my wins. And that's what's been happening since the weekend till today. I've had two SLs only since the weekend till now.
That's great.
Sorry, three SLs. Three SLs, but like more than 15 wins.
That's great.
Yeah.
That's great. The reason I was saying that it's not always right to change, because like when beginner traders hear this, they think like, yeah, I lost a couple of times
Oh
with
yeah.
strategy
Yeah.
and I need to change. So no, guys.
Strategy hopping isn't good. It's unless
it's
you
not.
know what you're doing. You've
But
practiced.
obviously, Salah did it because he knew something was off, and he's been doing it for long enough to know that the right thing to do is to change the strategy, not because it's like the first solution that you should run to when you lose a trade or two. So that
Saif. Also, I was making some nice content. I was doing a challenge with my friends, and you know how it is over here, what they say about trading and all that. So I had a challenge, and I was flipping $73. It's all recorded and verified. I flipped $73 to $3,270 in less than 24 hours, which is really good. It's a nice flip. Nothing compared to Zamco. That guy's crazy. He's not a human being. I don't know where he came from, but he's not human. And I'm very
What's
proud of him.
Zamco doing?
Bro, Zamco flipped 2,000 pounds to like 300,000 pounds,
Oh wow.
which, if you think about it, it does not make sense. But that guy did it, and he's crazy for doing it. And I'm very
Wow.
proud of him for doing that.
Aquaman did it again.
And it's verified, you know, it's not some BS or shit.
Yeah, and
2,000
how long did it take him to
pounds.
do that?
Save 2,000 pounds,
One and a half.
300,000 pounds.
And
In how much time?
and how
I
much
think-
time? Yeah.
10 days.
10 days, yeah.
10 days?
Yeah.
Oh wow.
At the beginning, I was laughing when he was doing the challenge
Does
with
he-
like
does he
flipping
take
2,000 to
investment?
something. Huh?
Does he take investments?
I don't know. I'm willing to invest if he.
I'm willing to invest for 10 days. Only 10 days.
And only 10 days. I'll give him 50 grand right now for 10 days.
For 10 days, you're set for life. That's it.
Yeah.
He'll turn it into $1 billion.
Okay, guys, let's make a deal. Each one of us spots 50 grand. We give it to
Yeah.
Zamco, but we trap him in a room. He's not allowed to leave that room. For 10
But we
days.
feed it.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, we feed
Of course,
him, yeah.
bro. I mean, I've never seen something like that from somebody that I personally know. And that guy did it. So it's nice motivation for all of us to even grow, regardless of how we trade, what we do, how much we
Yeah, but
want, how
again,
much we
man,
make.
that's not the norm. And
I'm
that's
gonna
not
raise
how-
a bet here. So I'll invest 100K first
Okay.
£100 if he does it 10 times.
Oh my God.
Or 200K 10 times.
Wow.
Because one time it's amazing.
Rosa,
If he
Then
does it, he wouldn't need
it's
your investment.
dangerous.
bro, his entries were like micro lots. It was micro lots.
And he would stack, right? He
Yeah.
would keep
He's
stacking.
layering. Yeah.
Oh, wow.
And but max risk per trade, that's for sure.
Probably full margin.
Okay.
So is
there.
it? Yeah. So is it like a swing trade or like multiple?
He
trades?
had swing trades from I don't know where.
So
Where was it?
he had a big position on the bottom and he kept layering on the top and also
He was in cells.
yeah,
Gold
and
cells.
hedging in between, where the market is pulling back, he hedges and again takes back the trend trade. So the trades are very very heavy, but it's good to see.
Yeah, and it's
And
you know when he did that, I was like, okay, let me have some fun too. Save my friends were like, flip 50 JDs like that guy you're talking about because I was telling them the story of Zamco.
Yeah.
They're like, take 50 JDs, Jordanian dinars, and flip it, which is $70 something, 73, I think. I flipped that in 24 hours to 3,200 something. Nothing compared to Zamco, but it's
that's
still
good.
very
No,
big,
actually,
you know?
That's good.
Yeah.
That's
يعني
pretty good.
سيف 50 دينار ل 2000 وشوي دينار ب 24 ساعة.
Wait. That's more than 4,000%, I think.
Yeah, bro, that is insane. Calculate it.
Yeah, that's 4,000%.
Yeah, 4,000% in 24 hours, bro.
Oh wow.
How good is that?
That's even
It's
like
good,
more
but
profitable
it's
than
not
drugs.
recommendable. Like
Huh?
That's more profitable than drug dealing.
Yeah.
with the low funds, with the lower funds, it's fine, but the bigger funds, it's not fine, and it's not very recommended. This is not, we are
Okay,
not,
I'm out.
yeah.
Out of what?
Like we were just talking here, and Rosa's making money.
Yeah,
I have my buys as well. I'm in
I
buys.
have nothing. Stop talking to me then.
Bro, I stacked new positions on another account now from 53.
Good.
I stacked a lot of positions. Well, we have news in 3 minutes. Probably gonna take me out on break even because I feel like they might do some manipulation. However, we already pulled liquidity,
Let me
and
stop sharing my screen. But before that, someone asked me how's my euro trade doing. I moved my stop loss to almost break even, so I'm risking 10 pips to make all of these pips. So it's a 1 to 265, but it wasn't like this. Not like originally, it was 1 to 19. My stops were here above 1.1790, but since it went down and the entry was good, there's no need for me to keep the stop loss up here. I'll just place it above the last high that it got rejected from, and I'll wish for the best. If it goes, then it goes, no problem. If it doesn't, I'll get a better entry somewhere around this area, which is 1.17. So that's how my Euro USD trade is doing. It's doing fine so far, but I hope it continues going down. Now I'm almost risk-free on this trade. I just need to wait. That is it. Okay, so let me stop sharing so that you
Saif,
guys, Habibi,
have you guys realized what's been happening today and yesterday? Pre-New York session,
Yeah.
the same exact move happened. They pulled liquidity heavily yesterday before New York session, dropped gold around $20 to $30 on an ounce, 200, 300 pips, right before New York open, grabbed a shit ton of liquidity, and then it skyrocketed. That's what happened yesterday. And the same thing happened today.
You know what? I forgot. Let me
The
go.
same thing happened today. The drop from 74 all the way dropped to 48, and now it's back to 65. Same thing happened yesterday, pre-New York. Yeah, so let's see what's going to happen in a couple of seconds. The news release is going to be out.
What news is it? Building permits. Okay, I see.
Let me tell you, we have durable goods orders, which came in as expected, 0.5%. Initial jobless claims came in positive, 216,000 in comparison to 226,000 jobless claims. So less people are claiming to be jobless in the US. What else do we have? So that's it. Both numbers are positive for the US dollar. Let's see what's happening here. Nothing at all.
Okay, DXY, typical movement.
Yeah, nothing, no major movement here.
Yeah, as expected. I expected the shit to drop gold a little bit. And then when the DXY reverses and rejects this candle, it's going to flip again.
Yeah, so DXY is climbing slowly. Gold is...
This is another chance to enter buys on gold. But the perfect buy would be after a 15-minute closure above 67. It's not safe to get in before because it might go sideways or might go back and drop.
So we have a news event, right, today?
The news are out, but nothing major happened.
Gold just dropped.
Because we're on live stream.
Yeah,
Believe
gold
me,
dropped 60.
if we were not on live stream, something would have exploded.
Of course. I mean, the big moves always.
You can always trade.
Rosa, you're frozen.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I'm frozen.
You're back. You're back.
Yeah. Okay.
So we still have Chicago PMI. We have new home sales, and we have crude oil inventories. That's what we have. By the way, today the Reserve Bank of New Zealand cut interest rates by 25 basis points. For whoever cares, just like telling you.
They cut interest rates?
Yeah, in New Zealand.
I don't like NZD.
Yeah.
I really don't like Forex peers. I only go to them.
I love forex pairs, man.
Bro, I typically move to FX or crypto if gold is being really, really bad or slow or just sideways, there's nothing. I would play around with some Bitcoin, Nasdaq, maybe forex pairs. But usually I don't. I just call it a day.
Um,
I'm about to
I
enter
like
store it.
FX because like I started trading FX
Mhm.
very big. So
Khalid got me to gold since the first month, end of my
yeah,
first month.
ever since I met him, he was trading gold.
Yeah.
I've never seen him trade anything else.
Bro, I was trading
Bitcoin,
forex pairs. Look,
Bitcoin recently, but that's
look,
that.
let me tell you a story.
Yeah.
I was trading forex pairs first month in. I invested $1,000 and I was trading. End of the month comes, last week of the month, I'm up 700 something on my initial investment. And I'm really excited. I'm like, yeah, this trading shit actually works. This is like 6 years ago. I'm like, this trading shit works. Uh, I don't know. I did something wrong. Big lot size, something like that. Boom. I dropped to like $600. And I'm just panicking. And then I saw Khalid posting gold, gold, gold. I'm like, okay, let me try gold. Even though people used to tell me, don't fuck with gold. You're a beginner. You shouldn't fuck with gold. It's very bad for beginners. Like, let me try it. I flipped my 600 something to 6,700 4 days before the end of the month, before the end of my first trading month in my life, and I still have it, the
Gold is a
screenshot
different
all
beast, yeah.
documented. Huh?
Gold is different, man. Yeah, I
Yeah,
understand.
bro. Yeah.
But you can always go higher in lots
Of course.
on FX than gold because gold is naturally leveraged, while those actually need the leverage.
Yeah,
Because
yeah.
like if it moves like crazy, it just moves like 0.5% a day.
Yeah.
An FX pair would just move like 0.5% a day, 1% a day if it's like
It's
Brexit or something.
much safer. Look, if you have a really good strategy, if you can manage to make 50
And tighter
pips,
stops, man. And tighter
yeah,
stops.
yeah. The stop
You
is
get
very tight and your entry is really big. So
yeah.
you would make bank if you actually can get good pips on FX pairs.
Yeah, FX pairs are really good. For example, the Euro USD trade I just sold you. My target is 2,650 pips.
Mhm.
Okay. My stop loss was 140, 140 pips. Now, I would never be able to do that with gold, for example.
Yeah.
Boom,
Yeah, and sorry.
boom to the
Those are
downside.
selling.
Yeah.
And it's
So
exactly my TPN came back down.
so remember, guys, the question I once asked you. It was us, the same group. I asked you about dynamic risk to reward.
Mm,
Do you remember that question?
yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. So in that same, I have an example now, a live example, which is the Euro USD trade. Um, like 3 weeks ago, or maybe less, 2 weeks ago, my risk reward on that trade was 1 to 19, which is good, which is pretty impressive if it works. It's still
Okay.
like at the very beginning, it might not work. But I'm just saying my risk reward was 1 to 19. Today, or this week, after I changed my stop loss, it became 1 to 265 because I'm risking 10 pips to make 2,650 pips. So it's 1 to
Wow.
265. So
Mhm.
what's the right risk reward? Like if I want to journal this, what do I say? That's a live example. What do you think
Dynamic.
the fairest way to journal something like that?
Oh,
You would count your original SL, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah. You
I
cannot.
think so.
This is like
I think so too. Yeah, I just wanted to hear your thoughts.
you have to account your initial entry price, SL, everything, because the dynamic and changing it is kind of like cheating yourself. You're not cheating
Yeah,
anyone on it.
yeah, I thought so as well. What do you
If it
think, guys?
goes,
Rosa and Anand, what do you think? I agree with Salah.
mm,
Um, what I do is because I don't, because you move your stop loss like trailing stop, right?
Yeah, yeah.
I don't do that. So I can have a better track of what I'm doing. That's why I enter multi-position and I close trades at any amount of pips or points I want. And
Okay.
it's defined already. So I don't do trailing, but I close partials along the way. And this I track. And then I have statistics on how many times do I get to the fourth partial, third, second, and
Mhm.
how many times it hits my break even if I leave a runner, and how many times do I get like 300 pips just at once with one position. And based on this statistic, I adjust the amount of trades I put and I close in a trade. But I don't do trailing because you lose control of
yeah,
what you're doing. Is it too tight to the price? Is it too loose? I just set break even and then I close positions because every position you close, you manage to close, it's targeted. So,
Yeah,
like 75% of the time, it's like I hit 40 pips, which is nearly 80% of the time in my case. And then 60%, 60 pips. Then it drops dramatically, like 20-ish percent, 80 pips, and so on and so forth. So that's why I keep closing partials so I can target that and I can have accurate statistics. So
makes sense. Yeah, makes sense.
yeah, yeah. Then we stick to the original.
Yeah, yeah. Original SL.
Yeah,
hmm.
that's what we journal then.
That's the fairest one, bro.
Yeah,
So I think I've already mentioned, like, when it comes so I trade, when it comes to performs, I have different set of rules for challenge phase and very different set of rules for live phase. On challenge phase, like, I don't move my SL anywhere. No trailing, no break even, nothing. I just take a trade. If it's
When
SL,
you're trying to pass.
not just trying to pass, always when I trade. So
Okay.
I look at questions like that. When it's live, I move to break even once I get a clear, a path, a structure. Even if
Yeah, I do
month,
this time.
yeah, I just keep break even because I feel live accounts for me are more valuable, to be honest. So that's the way I look at it. Now coming to the live trading, if I'm trading live, if I take positional trades, I try to safeguard my capital. So I don't trail. I'll either keep it on SL. If it's like a 1:3 trade, probably at 1:1 I keep. So that's about it. This I have kept it little, always I maintain this. I don't, change, or I don't take partial as well. It's either TP or
Yeah,
SL.
no, I don't fuck with partials. I don't
I
like
don't take
partials.
partials.
I tell people to take partials, but I don't personally.
Like, I never took partials actually, thinking about it, but it's people's like how it works out for them.
Look, I
So
would either close my full deal or hit a TP or a sell. I'm not gonna book partials.
if I have taken a trade today, I would have been pissed. Like, I just missed TP by half a pip. I don't know why this has been happening to me. Like, if I have taken a trade, even the last week when we took a trade in live, it almost went me a TP. It went back to break even, almost SL, but somehow it went up. Like, I
Yeah.
was so pissed at the trade, but that time I had taken in live. So today, like, I didn't take any trades, but this was my ideal trade. If I had taken, I would have missed my TP. Like, can you guys look at it? It wouldn't have
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
it wouldn't have closed for sure. It just, I don't know why it respected here.
I
Okay.
still see it going up.
Yeah.
It's going down another 40 pips.
yeah.
God,
I think so too.
my SL's at 48.
48.
Yeah, I'm in from 53, 54. That's my latest entries. I still have from 4,112 and 15.
Okay.
It's not very clear to me.
It's not. It
I
hasn't been
need.
the entire week.
I'm more inclined toward the drop, maybe because of the pattern I'm seeing. So the best thing for me would be to stay aside until I see something very clear. So I'm not trading this.
Honestly, it's a mess. Like
Yeah.
I personally already made my profits, but I just have those entries. It really is showing me that it's gonna drop, but at the same time, because of what's in my head with the technicals, I still see it going up as well at the same time. So I'm going with the odds and what I see more favorable based on the technicals, which is for it to continue going up, because initially I just wanted a closure above 50. I said after it breaks 50 and closes above it, that's it. It has nothing on the way to 4250. And then we're just struggling here, and we barely even pushed up. We just went to like 67 wick to 72, and it's been rejecting that, even though there's no reason for it to reject those levels. It is the initial level which dropped it around 2000 pips. Okay. 67 is powerful. So now a closure above 67 is the only thing that's going to show me gold is going to go to 4250. We don't get a closure above 4167, we might fall down to 50. If we break 50, we're going to drop heavily. We're going to drop big. We get a closure.
I'm expecting 46.5.
Yeah.
Just to get hit.
46.5.
Yeah.
46 could get hit. Possibly lower, much lower, Rosa. We might get back to the consolidation between 50 and 25. We might go back
in a
to
matter
that
of minutes, like 15 minutes, I'm expecting between 46 and 39.
Yeah, that is really possible.
Like in 30, 45 minutes. No more than that. Otherwise, my scenario it's just invalid.
I see it. But by the way, guys, I don't really fuck with trend lines and all that, but I do spot a trend line, a big trend line, all the way from
To the upside, you mean?
Yeah, all the way from 40, 41 to here, and then that is like the bigger one, and then you have a small one from 4,111 all the way to the level we have here. So you do have a trend line.
Yeah, so far we're still bullish.
I don't fuck with them. I just see it.
But something is telling me it's going down.
Yeah, because it's been rejecting, and it's disgusting movement. It rejected 67 on the 15 minutes. It rejected 67 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10. 12 times. 12 times tried to tap it and it rejected it. So regardless, even if it's going up, when you see such rejection, it means no more liquidity and it needs to drop, grab more liquidity, probably sweep, and then push higher later on. But it's disgusting movement, to be honest. I really don't want to.
Yeah, I'd rather stay without any trades today, if this stays like this.
Monday was ugly. Today's been no problem.
Yesterday was good. No, actually Monday was good too.
I made money, no complaints. I made money yesterday and before yesterday and today. But I just, when you don't like what you're seeing, when it's nasty sideway movement, consolidations. It's been moving that way recently. Like, look at the 4 hours. See how beautiful it was back in the beginning of November. It was really nice. But then we got this consolidation and it was nasty.
Salah, you want, sorry, you want to share the screen?
Huh?
You can share the screen.
Okay. Hold on.
And also, I have a question. Do you guys enjoy executing market order or placing limits?
Market orders execution. Instant.
Same. SAIF, you are muted.
I think SAIF likes limit spending orders.
SAIF, you are muted.
Yeah, I'm sorry, guys. Yeah, yeah, I prefer pending orders. Yeah,
Yeah, I remember that.
I'm not that fast. Markets are usually faster than me, so I just like put
They're
my
faster than you, but not faster than Rosa.
yeah. They're not. They're not. Nothing is faster than Rosa.
I've got my TPs on the cells ready because when they hit these TPs, I'm going buying. It's a buy. It's a clear buy.
At 146.5.
41.46.
Yeah, that would be a
Well,
good.
there's an area, but kind of there.
Yeah, actually, I've
Just
marked
waiting.
it. Like, I've literally marked that level actually. Let's see. My SL is below that actually.
So
Yeah,
this
Around 39. Around 39 would be good if it tried to sweep all the way there. Let's see.
You know what's a fun activity?
Mhm.
That is due in a couple of days. Just going through all monthly candles on all.
Oh my god.
Do you want to kill me?
No, going through all of them and seeing how they closed and like getting hints on the next month. That works very well with me.
I know what's gonna happen next month. Do you?
Oh, really? No, I don't. Tell me.
You do. You do deep inside.
Hmm.
You know where gold's gonna be at before the end of the year.
Yeah, it's going to be like almost at new all-time highs, if not at an all-time high.
Yeah, between 700 to 5,000.
I think we're going to see new all-time highs, but not necessarily close to 5,000. Not yet. Rosa is making money now.
Yeah, I've closed one position.
Congratulations. Back to not making money now. Okay, so what I was saying is that I think it's not going to reach 5,000 this year, or not even close to 5,000. We'll see it perform best in the first quarter of 2026, because historically, gold performs best on the first and last quarter of the year.
Yeah.
In the
100%.
middle, it's like it's just
The
consolidating.
middle is the mess, the big mess.
Yeah. If you go back in history, you'll see every single year. Only the first quarter and the last quarter
That's
are
true. That's true.
good for commodities, like mainly gold and silver. Yeah, so looking forward to my end of month activity.
Let's see.
I'm going to put on some music and open the monthly chart.
I think Rosa, it's gonna come in your area.
Yeah, I'm just waiting.
Hold
I
on.
think, guys, if we close, if gold closes above 4,100 this month, like it's almost a done deal that we're going to see an all-time high this year.
If it closes below,
If it closes below, we might see more consolidation going into the first couple of months of 2026. But and we might see the other scenario play out, which is a correction towards 3,800, 3,600. That might be what's going to happen if it doesn't close above 4,100. I'm in buys, but I genuinely wish that it breaks and goes down to 3,600 because it will give me more room to the upside to gain from, I mean. And it's almost done. My no trading period is almost done. One more month to go, and I'll go back to trading, like serious trading.
So how is life?
Serious trading.
No, I mean like big amounts trading.
Okay.
Yeah, I only now trade for fun.
Oh, for a specific reason or
Sorry?
for what reason?
No, for fun. That's it. That's why I trade now.
Oh, okay,
Like
but why are you not trading big?
because
He
that's what.
finished like ages ago. He said
Yeah,
it.
I finished back in I think October,
Oh, okay.
beginning of October. Like I finished the year's target, so I
Okay.
have to stop. Like that's part of my trading rules.
Okay.
So I had to stop, but just for the fun of it, I just keep some money to trade with, like small amount.
Okay.
Yeah, but it's like even trading small is good. Like scalping is actually fun. I discovered myself in scalping. Rosa trained me.
Scalp like Rosa.
But to be
Gold is
honest,
being a
guys,
deer these months.
sorry.
Gold
Yeah,
is like a deer, like it's like a teddy bear these months.
yeah,
It's
yeah,
been
yeah,
amazing.
Disgusting. It's disgusting to be honest.
yeah. Because it's ranging. That's why Rosa is like is enjoying it. But people who follow trends like long term find it boring.
Yeah, it's very boring. I don't like ranges or what it's doing now.
If you're trading the 1 minute, you'll see 1,000 trends over there.
Yeah.
But no, actually, the 1 minute is pretty awesome. I loved it.
I love the 1 minute.
I think we're most likely going to see gold dropping, like some
Yeah,
medium
39, around
for the rest of the session. I think. Let's see
39.
if it closes below one. How much? 1 second.
If it closes below 50, it's gonna drop.
If it closes below 40, it's done.
Oh, below 40, it's 100% done.
Yeah.
But below 50, it might just be a
Guys,
swing.
that's like a 40. That's an $80 drop left. If it closes below 40, we might be heading towards 4,060, 4,070. That's a great drop.
Look, my big SL for the swing trade that I'm taking to 4250,
Yeah,
my SL is at around 85.
4,085.
Yeah.
Oh, that should be further, I think, because it might just go
I
there and.
don't. I see it. I see the trade failing and the swing failing if it breaks 85, 80 actually. Like I won't. I don't want to be in it until the picture is clear again because I won't um, see what I was seeing if 85 breaks.
The closest stop loss I can think of is 4,020, and that's not very safe as well.
Yeah, that's too much.
My stop loss is 3,995 now. I know it's
Yeah.
far, but it
I'm
was.
taking this on my live account, not funded.
Sorry.
I said I'm taking this on the live account, not funded, because I don't swing on funded.
Yeah. So let's go to the chat and see if they have any questions. Rosa and funding pips scalping is restricted, right? No,
No.
I think
No.
not, right?
It
It's
is
not.
not.
It's not
HFT.
that. That's
HFT
the
is
point.
restricted.
What's
Gold.
restricted if the majority of your trades are under 1 minute, but my trades sometimes are 30 minutes open or even 15. Usually it's an average of 5 to 10 minutes. So I'm okay because the majority of my trades last longer than 2 minutes.
Your camera is frozen, by the way.
Again,
Yeah.
Yeah, I think because of the office background that you
Yeah,
have.
it's back now.
what do I have? Oh, do I have an office background?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's not my office.
You didn't know you
Okay.
had a background? You see, guys, if we close above 50, we're still safe for longs.
Yeah, I
In my opinion, with the SL at 48.
I agree.
Even 47 in case of like some sweep or something.
I think I've removed it now.
I'm still in
Yeah,
my
yeah, you move just fine now.
Okay.
I'm still in my longs.
It looks good. Still looks good.
Currently, yeah.
And DXY is going up, which makes me happy because I have a short on euro. Huh.
I don't trust this reversal.
It's fake.
You
I don't
mean
know.
to the downside?
No, to the upside. No, it's reversing to the upside.
Yeah, as long as it's above 50, it's still good. It's not giving me like I've been
Yeah,
waiting
if it's
for
above
it
50, it's perfect.
something for like the past 6 hours. It's doing nothing. It's just between 170 and 150. It's not doing anything else.
Yeah. Bro, it's just 67. I'm telling you, we get a closure above 67, we're good. On the 30 minutes, on the 15 minutes, on the 5 minutes,
It's going
1
down.
hour.
It has to go down.
Look, even on the 4 hours, you see? All time frames. Get a closure above that shit, we're gonna instantly go to 4250.
All right. Someone is asking if DXY is going up, gold may drop. Is it true that they are correlated? Yes, they are correlated.
Not always, you know.
But not always. Why? Because there are many factors affecting gold other than the DXY, which are geopolitics, supply demand, central banks buying gold. The whole thing. It's like gold is it's the highest market cap in human history.
Yeah.
So a lot of things affect that. It's the most important commodity on planet Earth. So it's very important, and so because of that importance, you have so many factors affecting it. So sometimes when everything is calm in the world and everything around gold is calm, yeah, it does negatively correlate with the XY. But during those times, I don't think the XY will have much of an impact on gold because they will both move together upwards as safe havens. People will run to gold and the USD as safe havens in times of uncertainty. That's the first question. The next one is, so if it breaks 4167,
If it breaks 4167, I'm gonna add like a shit ton of more positions. If it breaks it and closes above it on the 15-minute.
Yeah, someone is asking if they should hold their buys till the all-time high if it breaks 4167. Like not necessarily, no. I would keep holding.
I would
but
keep them.
only if my stops were below 4,000.
Mhm.
That's the only case I would be holding.
No, actually, if you have very far away entries like 50 points, 100 more, like 500 pips, 200 pips, 300 pips, you're gonna be a little bit safe. But if your entries are like from here, from 50, that's a bit risky. I would take most of my profits and keep a runner.
Yeah. Yeah, also works. So I have two opinions. What's your name? Nazari. You have two opinions now. You have Salah's opinion and mine. Would you like to add anything, Anand or Rosa?
I still say bearish for the short term, and then it'll go up. That's my analysis.
That's
Very,
the
very
thing.
short term.
I do agree with you guys 100%. However, I cannot say that's gonna happen unless I see it below 50 to start with. Below 50 and then below 40. Below 50 is still gonna tell me that this is a sweep. Below 40 is gonna tell me that this is surely going down and it's gonna go down heavy. Okay? I'm saying I need 15-minute candle closures, not 5-minute, 1 minute just to break it, whatever. 15-minute closure, full closure with a retest of the level tells me that, yeah, this move is confirmed, whether it's to the downside or to the upside. I did really good by moving.
Okay, so Nazari is saying he's holding from 4,050, which is 40.50.
Of course, I'm gonna hold. Of course, I'm
And
gonna hold.
and just triple the amount of the account. He just tripled his account.
Take one position out, like make it double.
I take 80%. I take
Yeah.
80% off and leave 20. And if it goes back to 4,060, 70, I'll add more. That's what I would do.
That I personally would just take 25% out of it and keep the rest in, because
Crazy, man.
I am that type of trader. I do that the whole time. If I've cashed out every trade I've gotten profits from, I promise you I would be sitting at over 300, 200 cash, liquid cash in front of me right now. Not prop rewards and whatever. If I close out and cut the greed.
Then you know the problem. You need
I
to
do.
stop.
I do.
Yeah, you need to take like whenever the market gives you profits, you need to take them.
Yeah.
That's something I learned when I started investing, not
Mhm.
trading. So when you invest, you need to have this mentality, the mentality you've been talking about, which is like just keep holding, hold forever, even if it goes to like almost zero. Just keep holding and add more. This
doesn't
works
work.
very
It's
well
not.
in investing, and like historically, markets just go up. Like
Yeah.
if you go back like 100 years, the stock market just goes up because that's the natural order of things, which is economies grow, they don't contract. Otherwise, what's the point, right?
Mhm.
So economies keep growing, so companies inside that those economies grow as well. So when you invest in those economies and companies, eventually you're going to grow with them. But when it comes to trading, I learned something the hard way. I've seen like, I don't know, like I can safely say 6 figures without closing. Like I've seen floating PNL of 6 figures and I haven't closed, and it just went back all the way to zero. So what I learned in
You learned
trading
the
is
hard
that
way.
whenever the market gives you money, just take it. Like
100%.
yeah, especially in trading. I'm not talking about investing. Investing is a different story.
Trading, yeah, 100%.
Um,
That's why I take partials.
mhm.
One
You
partial out.
understand. You're doing the right thing.
Whose chart is this? Salah?
Mine, yeah.
When does this get activated? If you get a closure above 157,
What do you mean? Oh, this trade?
yeah. How does
Oh,
it get?
this is the trade that I'm already in.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
I thought you were planning it.
No, I was in. I am in this. It's like pecking my SL right now.
It might drop. Okay, now.
Well, it will sink. It
I was
will
about to
sink.
say now. Uh,
Yep,
okay,
it's going down.
there, level closed.
Yep.
You're out.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was my level, and still not, but ready to go in on a buy. I have to wait. It's honestly, gold's been so
Yep.
predictable. And I was about to say gold is dropping hard now, but okay, anyway.
I spammed sells at 47.
Now it has to retrace back. It has. When I say it has, it is
Let's
what I
see.
expect.
So yeah, you see this is the level I'm
Rosa
talking
Delgado
about.
moves the markets.
If this breaks, this zone I have over here, if this breaks and we close below it, then we are going to 32.
Okay, break even on the buys.
Nice.
Now
Fast.
I'm gonna be stopped out on the break even. That's for sure. It's going maybe down a little bit more before my first partial. Oh, okay. Ten pips away from the partial. Now it
Guys,
has to retrace at 46.24. 46.24. One partial out, break even out, and I'm gonna be out again. Okay, sells and buys all done.
I have lower highs, lower lows, guys. I think we have a downtrend confirmed, but still no setup. So
We need
around
a 15-minute closure.
155,
Remember what I said?
Good. So that's it.
155. If I see a setup there, I might be selling. With stops above 157.
I think I'm out of the day. I'm gonna stop.
Yeah, yeah. If you're done, you're done. But I
Yeah.
haven't taken anything yet, and I
Mm.
might not take anything. I'm just waiting for that trade that just like calls you by the
It's
name.
going down a little bit more if you are able to wait a little bit. So if I had to take a buy, I'll wait.
No, I'm not taking any buy.
No, you cannot
Okay.
buy now. You can't buy yet. But I told you guys earlier, I said we need a closure below 50 for it to fall. This tells me that this is a sweep. As long as it's above 40, this is just a sweep and we will go higher. However, if we break this level and close below it, then
Yeah.
we are going to drop all the way to 32, 30 actually, and then possibly retest 15, 14 again.
Yeah, I think 90
Smoke
is
it
going.
out, and then maybe all the way to 4,100 makes sense to me.
I
Maximum.
think more. I think more.
I mean, that would, let's see, that would be good. It's also broke this trend line. I don't like trend lines, but it broke it as well.
Huh.
Let's see what's gonna happen. If we do break 40, say goodbye to gold.
It's going down. It doesn't have enough. It hasn't taken enough money yet.
Yeah.
So
So it has to probably sweep all the way to 40.99.
Actually, guys, my plan is pretty obvious now. If I get any sell setups around 55, 56, I'm going in, but that's just like a small part of the plan. If it goes down to 4,080, 4,070, I'm going in. I'm adding to my positions with stops below 4,000, targeting 4,560 as the first target. So that would be
SAIF, why would you want to sell from here from 56, 57, not from a retest of 50 actually?
yeah, maybe somewhere around there. 1 second, let me see.
I see retest of 50.
Actually 54, not 57. I'm sorry.
Yeah, 50.
54 with stops above 57.
Yeah.
Yeah, I didn't say that accurately.
So now it's gonna close in 2 minutes. Let's see.
Okay.
We got 14 more minutes. Actually,
I'm loving Euro USD, man. Euro USD is just like taking care of me. Yep, all good.
SAIF, do you trade with any of the local brokers we have here?
I used to, yeah.
You used to, or you still?
No, I used to.
Okay.
Now I moved, or not yet, but the plan is to move everything to Tradin.
Unfortunately, I cannot use it until I'm in Spain because it's not allowed in Jordan. I don't know why.
Yeah, but like I think they can make an exception for you because they know
Really?
you. Yeah, they know you, I think.
Talk to
Like,
them.
Who should I talk to?
like Khalid lives in Dubai and he's going to use it, although it's not like
Yeah.
available in Dubai, yeah.
I'm gonna talk with them because I really want an account with them, and then it's driving me insane.
No, my account is up and running and all good, but I still haven't moved everything there.
Bro,
I should, because the other day you were not here. Rosa saw. I had an order during the NFP. I had an order to buy.
didn't
gold.
activate.
It did not. It got cancelled, but it
Oh
hit
my God.
it had the level, but it didn't get activated.
I know that shit. I know what they do. This month,
Yeah, man.
bro.
Absolutely.
Let's keep it censored, bro. Those they're driving me insane. And I'm like trying to contact my account manager, and he's MIA.
I'll hook you up. I know like all of them, not even most of them.
Like my old account manager here moved to Dubai as well, and he left the company, the broker.
Yeah, let me see you this weekend, and we'll talk about all of this.
Yeah.
Because like I almost know everyone here, and like in the local brokers.
Perfect.
Not very cool, man.
I know, bro. I know. I haven't been with them since ages, by the way. I just got back like a few months ago with the ones here. I still have my other brokers, but I'm just focused. I moved almost everything to the one here. Even though the leverage is nothing, I got no leverage here.
Saif,
Yeah, tell me.
do you have Tradin open now?
You mean the trading account?
Yeah, the trading account. Do you mind to check if you can? What's the spread?
What's the spread?
Yes.
1 second.
And I'm not sure there's any commission on gold either.
No, like the raw accounts, you pay $7 per lot.
Okay.
But let me see.
So because I don't.
Would you like me to share the account, like the screen?
No, it's fine. Just let me know the spread, and it's $7 for commission.
spread.
Plus
Okay, so gold now is 20, 15, 14, 18.
2.5, 2.5. Wow.
Yeah, like 1.7, 1.9 pips. It keeps changing, of course, it's floating.
Yeah, it's because I wanted to change
Okay.
one of my personal accounts there, but
Yeah, one
conditions
second.
are a bit
Look,
different.
can whoever is sharing, can you stop sharing? Let me.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay, let me see. There it is.
Because I have the raw one, but I have no money in it, so
It's actually good. Look here, that's gold. What other things do you want to check? Tell me.
no, just the spread and the commission. So commission is $7. I'm just checking on the
Yeah,
website.
yeah.
The
$7
spread
per
is
lot.
it's a lot.
I think it wasn't like this. It was 11. It was like between like 11 and 15, but I don't know what's happening now. It wasn't like this.
Plus commission. It's because I trade very often. And
What other pairs would you like me to
no,
for you?
just gold. Just gold.
Just gold. That's it.
That's it. Yeah.
Yeah, I could have just yeah. Anyway, so you're right. It's slightly higher than like the usual spread on trading, but I think because like we're almost like entering New York or NYSE open.
Yeah,
Maybe.
all brokers get like that around NYSE.
Maybe, yeah.
That's high momentum hours.
Now I have on my personal account I have 0.8.
Oh, really? So 8 cents on gold?
Yeah.
And how much commission do you pay?
I'm gonna check because I don't know. Let me check the symbols. Market watch, gold, specification, and it's stop levels, leverage.
Oh, wow, they pay good swap.
3.5 per lot.
3.5.
Euros, which is maybe dollars. It's four and a
$4.
half, $4 for each.
$4, yeah.
So yeah, and I trade a lot. I mean, I trade a lot. I take many entries on every trade ideas. So yeah, okay. The good thing about Tradin is the leverage, and if you don't make
How much
as
leverage do you make? Do you have? Sorry.
now 200, and at Tradin you have up to 2000.
2000, yeah.
Hmm.
I don't use that much, to be honest.
I could use it.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I mean, if your
No, I
strategy
never.
is good, I mean, maybe not 2000, but maybe 500 or so if there's
Well,
available.
it
Or
depends on the account size as well, because at
yeah,
some point, if you go above, for example, like 10, 15 lots, it starts getting like the
yeah,
slippages become like a nightmare, and
hmm.
you end up just losing instead of making money.
Yeah, that's the
So
point.
yeah, so it depends, I think.
Yes, to avoid that on my personal account, I have many accounts.
You do it on prop, huh?
No, on personal, no.
But you copy.
Yeah, I copy. I same
Okay.
broker, different accounts, and then I've got another broker. So I'm always on the low, um, like low volume, just to avoid entering with too much.
Okay.
Because I understand brokers don't like it, and you take part of the liquidity of the broker when you start
Yeah.
going in big. So that's why I do that. But yeah, I have to think about it.
سيف
Yep.
شوف شو كتبت هاي على الجروب.
1 second.
بس بالله عليك زبطني.
Which group, man?
What's up?
Oh yeah.
تطبل علي.
Okay. So what's happening with gold, guys?
It's most likely gonna drop. It already retested 50 and rejected from it. So this is possibly our trade before we end the live. With targets at 40, TP1 is 40, and then you got 32. 32 breaks, keep your target open. Do not even set a TP if 32 breaks. Like I'm giving you the roadmap. This is exactly what's happening. Boom, you see? It's dropping.
So gold is going down, huh?
Yeah.
Rosa, are you in any cells?
No, not yet. I just closed the one I had. I closed them the very moment they hit my first 2 targets or 3 targets, and that's it.
Well, about 5 minutes to NYSE. I should have believed myself when I saw that it's going down.
Mm-hmm.
Do you guys really like the gold movement during New York? Can you guys hear me?
Say again, Anand?
I was just asking, do you guys really enjoy the movement of gold during New York?
Sometimes yes, sometimes no. Sometimes I like just the beginning of London Open. You just hit your target really fast, call it a day early during London. And then if you do want to risk more, then you go with New York.
Oh. Something's wrong with my computer. Can you hear me properly?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I don't know what's going on today.
SAIF, I suggest you enter cells as very light sell from here, just in case NYSE doesn't give us the opportunity. But I can't hear you.
Who mutes me? I don't mute myself.
No, can't hear you.
Someone doesn't like me speaking.
Yeah.
Anyway, I was saying I'd rather wait for the 4-hour candle to close
Mhm.
before deciding if I want to sell, because I'm already late to the move.
Yeah, we're
uh,
very, very late.
Yeah, I saw it like when it was around 65, 67. So I should have, if I wanted to sell, I should have sold around that area. But now, no, it's too I'm too far. So what I would do is wait for the 4-hour candle to close to get more confirmation. And once I get a retest around the 152, 154 that we just said, I'd sell with my stops above 57 or 60, depends.
Perfect.
Yeah,
I
but
like
for
your,
now,
your idea is perfect. It's like very safe. My idea is like you see, my approach is different. I see that it tested 50 on the 5 minutes, it retested 50, and on this 15 minute, it retested 50 perfectly and it dropped. So I sold from 45. My SL is 55, and my TP1 is at 32.
that's
And
aggressive.
yeah, my main target, however, I'm not closing at 32. It's just a target for my people and all that. My main target on this would be 85. So let's see what happens.
Hmm. You know what? 57 is an actually good stop loss area.
Yeah. 55, 57 is good.
Yeah.
57 is perfect, actually.
Not doing anything yet.
Thing
I
is,
might be trading after the live stream.
it already retested, in my opinion. Let's see. This it closed really well. It closed at 42. Perfect.
Let's take a look at the stock indices, since we're yeah, the NYSE just opened. Let's take a look at the indices. Nasdaq is almost up 1% today. Dow Jones is up nothing, like 0.2%. The S&P is up 0.4%. They're gaining their they're getting stronger now. Last week they ended the week like pretty bad.
Yeah. Bitcoin is annoying me now, to be honest.
Yeah, 87.
It's pure sideways movement. Pure.
And how come Ethereum went back below 3,000? When did that happen? I just saw it.
Happened when Bitcoin crashed. When everything crashed, it dropped with it, bro.
Yeah, but 3,000 is
I know.
that's a lot. How much is that drop?
XRP dropped to like 1 point something.
Oh, really? Again?
Yeah, Ripple dropped big.
Like that's a 50% drop on Ethereum, or like
Yeah.
where is Ripple? 1 second.
Ripple dropped almost
XRP
50% too.
Yeah, here it is. XRP. Yeah, but it didn't drop to like to 1.4 like the
1.9, 1.7.
remember in October when again that's also a 50% drop on XRP.
Mm-hmm.
That's not nice.
Yeah.
Doesn't look good actually, even for the future, near future.
Yeah, I know. So take a look at gold on the 1 minute, and you're gonna realize the pattern it's making.
Hmm.
Ready for a bounce down.
Yeah, almost there. 54 is good.
$57.5 as a second option.
Yeah, you mean if 54 does not reject it?
No. It first area it's 52, which already hit. It can go up a little bit more till 55, 54, 56. It's this area. Now I expect a quick move to the downside with, let's say, $40 first target. It's going up.
Retest. It retested the trend line as well. And let's see if it's going to respect.
$56, I'm waiting for it as a second area.
I think 52 is going to reject it.
Yeah.
Looks strong.
52 is my first area, but I still have my doubts. Think it's trying to go up a little bit more above one of the wicks in M1. $54, nearly there. Come on.
Yeah, I'm in.
You guys are shorting?
54.
Yes.
Okay.
Stops here. Oh, okay. That was good.
That quick entry was good. Okay.
That was good.
Well done. Come on. Did you enter at the 54, right?
54, yeah.
52 for me. 52.15.
I have my stops at 57.
Mm.
Let's see, 57.27. Let's see if that works. It's very calm now. Everyone watching their trades.
Yeah.
Rosa, what is your confirmation? Someone is asking.
My confirmation for an entry.
I think
It's-
they're referring to the short at 52.
Oh, the liquidity area, like an unfilled anchoring point that was missed out before in M1. But I have an area. When I enter, I define an area. So my first entries are at 54, 52. And if it goes against me, I re-enter at 56, which is the second area I have. So it's an area. Entries work in an area, but the confirmation is a pattern at a specific level, market structure, then some of my indicators that I use, and an unfilled anchor point, which are very, very small liquidity areas that gold always goes to in 1 minute. Now it's in a bottle, and I can see, you see it's trying to go down, but it's in a point that it doesn't go down. But that's a reason for that. They are all unfilled anchoring points before, and I'm just watching that on 1 minute in my crystal ball. So I'm not sure this is going down very quickly. It might do it. That's why I'm closing a first entry in 10 more pips. And that's why I'm always closing partials, just in case I'm on the wrong idea. Or, well, the idea is clear. It's fine. It's right. It's usually right, but not the timing. That's why I keep closing partials, and I don't wait for my full TP to get hit, because I never know what gold is going to do.
Well, I have my, I moved my stop loss. I didn't close any partials, but I moved my stop loss to almost break even. So at 54.7. I hope it does not like hit. But
I'm just waiting for 56 to be hit. 56.3740, 56-ish, 57. That's what I'm expecting.
No, but what's happening with the DXY? Why did it decide to drop again? It was doing well. I'm cheering for the US dollar these days.
And a big drop happening. It should happen now. By covering the full candle. No. Now, come on, now. There. Close one partial, break even.
Yeah, now I can move my stop loss to break even.
Oh, let's break even.
Yeah.
One partial out. Just waiting for.
Risk free. My target is at 42.
And closed. 40 points. 40 pips plus 20, 60 pips.
Congrats.
Beautiful.
50, 57, 60 pips in the money. I
Yeah.
still need, my target is at 42.
Your selling point was better than mine, honestly, because I was waiting for the 56-ish level. That's why I just entered at 52. But yeah, and it's going to retrace.
Well, let it hit 42 first, then let it do whatever you want it to do. Leave me alone for a second. She moves the markets.
Do we have
Yeah,
do we have
let me make a call. I
Sorry,
wish
what?
I could move the market.
What was
do we
that?
have a bank holiday tomorrow?
We have Thanksgiving tomorrow and after tomorrow.
Yeah.
So there's no New York session?
There is, but
Limited hours.
the volumes are thinner than usual. Plus, there is an early close for indices and some couple of things.
Okay, I'm gonna work London and Asia.
I'm not gonna work anything, to be honest, tomorrow and after tomorrow, unless I get a very obvious entry. Otherwise, I'm just like
Actually, I'm just gonna wait for it to
working
be
with
out of
my.
this.
Sorry.
I'm gonna wait for it to be out of this disgusting range. It's getting on my nerves.
No, I'm just going to manage my ongoing trades. That's it. I'm not going to do it. That was actually a very good trade. The one we took just now.
Mm-hmm.
I didn't even see it for a second in the red.
Expect the unexpected, buddy.
Yeah, and now it's break even, so I will never see it in the red. Unless I get slipped, which I doubt, because I'm trading with Tradin, and they don't do that.
Yes, sir.
But you know what's bothering me now?
Mm-hmm.
The drop in the DXY. That's what's bothering me. You know what's funny? Gold and DXY are actually moving exactly together. They're very positively correlated. Same candles. When this one drops, the other one drops.
Yeah.
$1.1610. Yeah, even though that happens, that's okay. Where is your stop loss, Rosa? Rosa is out of her trade.
No, I'm out. I'm going to share my screen just to show the trades I took today, and then just in case I have to drop off early.
Yeah, I think we're all leaving in 15.
So I didn't have my master account, the onboarding done this morning, so I just.
Our faces. Show us how much money you made.
No.
How many tips? Not that much money.
No, I'm showing my personal account. So I traded with my personal account.
Okay.
And so this testings here. So you see, this is 1 minute already. So these were some testings with a copy trading that was causing problems. So all fixed. I just took this trade on my personal account and nothing else so far. So just one trade in the morning. I don't usually trade the afternoon on my personal account. I don't really like it. And then this is trading view, funding pips, because I got the, okay, just let me change it. So I got my master account ready just minutes before the live stream, so I was able to trade it. And then I like trading it so you can see actual trades done. So all these trades have been done with you guys. So this is the first buy. Second, that short, it hit the break even, but I was expecting this movement. Not all this, but from here at least to here. So I got out, had another confirmation because it didn't test this bit here. That one level there, which is about to hit it in less than 2 hours. And then I took another sell here, and then I added some more buys. That was a quick scalp, very dangerous for people who don't know what they're doing, because you have to get in and out very quickly. And then the sell we did with, I think I did it just you, Saif, and myself.
Yeah.
This sell is going to be like there, something around there.
Yeah, that's around
That's
my.
where you have it, right?
Yeah.
Hmm.
Is that 42?
43, 44. I've got 42. It's to me a bit too much. I don't have anything to anchor it,
Yeah.
but yeah, that's
Okay,
why
well, let's go with 43.
43. Yeah, and that's it. So
Done.
this is my trading,
How come?
and I am expecting one here, one there. So
That's
this
56, 57.
this area, I would say it's going to be hit in at least in 2 hours, in the next 2 hours, top. Then there's some more. I would say this one before the closing of the day. But since it's holiday, bank holiday tomorrow, kind of like Thanksgiving, things like that, when there's something special in the market, I don't like predicting because market behaves differently.
Yeah.
Because I'm pretty sure a lot of people won't have like 8 hours working on the markets tomorrow, and they might close some of the trades they are carrying from here. So I'm not sure this level is going to be hit, but I would say, I don't know, high probability. This area, and this level here, this specific level. These three levels are pretty clear to me.
So, do you think it will keep going down for the rest of the week, or like from what you see now?
I just see it grabbing liquidity because it's not able to break 41.67. And whenever we have such price action at a certain level zone that it keeps rejecting, we will obviously move to the opposite direction to grab whatever liquidity we can to come back and break it. Because as I see, the overall movement that we're expecting is 4250. Bigger picture.
No idea, to be honest.
Like, say if you see, you can look at the 4 hours, look at it.
Yeah.
So if you want to take a proper trade, you're going to say, I'm going to execute after confirmation a closure below 49 or a closure above 67 if you want a perfect trade. Because whichever direction it takes above 67 or below 49, it's going to be a big move. You're getting at least 200 to 300 pips on that move. So it doesn't matter that you entered late, but you entered the right direction, and you know that, obviously.
So below 49 or 47, you said?
Below 49 or
49,
above,
you go in sells?
yeah, and above 67, I go and buys. That is the safe move you got. You can even enter bigger
I just trailed my stop to 52.7.
Mm-hmm.
If and it breaks.
Okay, now you can expect a retracement from here, and then it'll go down.
Leave me alone, Rosa. Let it just hit TP, then say your magic words.
It's gonna hit your TP easily, bro. Your TP is very easy. 42?
52 point what? It's your stop loss? Where?
52.7.
I just don't like how you keep moving your SL now.
No.
What's your
Sorry.
entry? What's your entry safe?
54.
Then keep it 54 at least. Do not. You don't want the 20 pips, bro. It's not gonna do something major to you.
Yeah, but the trailing isn't random, guys. I'm trailing every time I see.
Yeah, I know. I know what you're saying. But it's just because it's being very retarded right now. But it's gonna hit your TP. It's gonna hit.
I don't like trailing just because, for instance, now when we were talking about your stop loss, we were here, like in price was around here.
Yeah.
And then you're in the middle of two liquidity points that price is going to hit 100% sure. The thing is, I don't know when, but it's very close to. So you are like trapping price, but you are like, I call it suffocating. Like it's too short for even for a scalper. So it might go down. That's fine, but it also have a lot of possibilities, probabilities that it goes up and hits your stop loss, just because there's an anchored and unfilled anchor here, and then it goes down again. So I usually give more spice, at least 75 pips, 7 to 80 pips
Yeah.
margin just to breathe, because gold's very tricky. That one's already hit. That level here that I just pointed, that's been hit already. Okay, now that one's gone. Now it can do two things: either going to hit that and then whatever, gold will do whatever he likes to do, or it will go down. But all these weeks, but anyway, I mean, it's your risk management and everyone's different. But because I'm just trying to maximize the scalping movement, even if it's a short movement, I usually give more space to breathe.
Yeah.
But that's not an
I
advice.
get you.
It's just
Yeah,
something
I
I
get
do.
you. No, it makes sense. I usually do that, but since it's just a scalp,
Yeah.
then even if like my stop loss hits, I'd make 12 pips.
Yeah.
Which is good. Not bad.
Which is amazing, which is fantastic. Yeah. So it's great.
Yeah. So it's either I make 12 pips or I make 100 pips.
Okay. Either way is fine.
Yeah, either way is a win. Someone is saying hello, Anand.
Hello.
That's it. That's what you get from Anand. Hello.
Oh, I just said hello back. Gold is
Right.
trading like.
Did you take any trades, Anand?
No,
Or you're done for the day and that's that?
I took the trade in the morning, so I just wait
Yeah.
for those entries. And there is no impulse move for gold today, so I will probably wait.
Yeah, it's been ranging all day, so it's not.
Yeah, it's very slow and boring.
If gold comes around 4120 or that range, probably I look for buys. If it comes around like 700 range, I look for sales in the morning. That's what I marked. But again, the volume is not very nice now.
Yeah. I think I'm going to trail my stop one more time.
Just go for it. Where
Not
was
yet.
your TP? Sorry, I don't.
Not 42. Not just yet. When we break the low of if
Like,
we
for
break
example,
87, I'm trailing again.
But
So-
then I'm the scalper, right?
Yeah.
what do you guys generally do? So right now you trade, okay, and the market just took out your SL and goes like 200,
Yeah,
150.
I'm
How do
trailing
you
now.
do you feel like entering trade again, or you just leave the trade as it is?
Sorry,
Just
you were talking to me?
Yeah, for an example, you have trailed, okay, the market just took out your SL, okay,
Yep.
and it's moved went to the TP, okay. How would you feel like? Do you feel like trading more, or you just
No, nothing. I used to feel bad. I used to like get upset, but TP hit, by the way.
Double
But
hit.
Congratulations, baby.
that's
you're
good.
thanks. So I used to get upset, but then I just like I don't know. I decided that whatever happens, happens, man. Like I can't control the world. Like I do what I am trained to do, which is trade and make the best possible trades ever. If that works, then great. If it doesn't work, I've done my homework. So I cannot blame myself. I cannot do anything. But usually, I do not trail stops. If that's your question, like what happens if you trail your stop and then it hits your TP after your stop loss gets triggered? Well, I don't usually do that, but because I didn't want to trade to start with today, but I saw a very like clean setup, so I wanted to enter. And it was actually a good entry. That's why it gave me the luxury of moving my stop or trailing my stop. That's why I went for it. And even if I went out with a 10 pip profit, I would be happy today because I genuinely didn't have any plans to trade unless I see something very, very good. I don't know if that makes sense.
That's the best mentality any trader can have or wish for. Honestly, that's the discipline and mentality.
Initially,
thank
I
you.
used to get
Appreciate
upset. But right now, I'm somewhere around what SAIF feels. Like even now, there were times where it has taken out my SL by like 1 pip and went like 1:5, 1:6. Basically, the capital would have been like $10,000 trade. So right now, I'm okay with it. But before, I used to get sad, very sad. The whole day used to be very bad. Like
Yeah, I think
maybe
you just get used to it, and then
yeah.
you train your mind that it's part of the game. So
I think I'm looking at 4130 range if it breaks now. This is the level side Salah was telling 40.
Yeah, this is 40 now. We broke it. We're gonna drop to 32.
yeah.
32 breaks. We dropped to 25.
Yeah. So I'm expecting to go 30 if it
We
drops.
just need a 15-minute candle below 40, and we're set. We're
How much salary do you think is good to live in Dubai? Let's go. Okay, I just pulled back that.
Okay. So that was a good session.
Yep.
It was fun. It wasn't so crazy, but we made some money. So I think that's it for today.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So thank you everyone for tuning in. I hope you got something beneficial today. You learned something new. Thank you, Rosa. Thank you, Anand, and thank you, Salah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Trade responsibly, everyone, and take care of yourselves. And as always, trade in. See you. Bye bye.
Yeah.
Take care.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Cheers. Bye.